Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Tumelo.Olemut, Tumelo or Olemut, whichever one you want is fine with me. So guys, if you're new to our channel, hi baby, I hope you're gonna have fun with us and I hope you enjoy every content we make. And I would love for you to tune in because life is good, life is good. So right now I'm gonna install my weave. I'm already done dressing up and all that. As you can see, my hair has been like this for a week now. I did this by my own, so please, no judgments. Yeah, I'm just gonna install my weave real quick and we're heading to town, so tune in. I love you guys. Yeah, ma. I just got a text from my friend. This girl is crazy. This girl is definitely crazy. I'm telling you, she is crazy. Yo. Here's the hair, darlings. Just combing it out real quick. I Nani. As soon as I put this thing on me, there's this heat wave that hits me. Like, oh my god, what am I doing? What am I getting myself into? And I think it's gonna pour because the sky is rumbling. And what I'm wearing, it don't need no sky to be rumbling. You feel me? Okay. Okay, good enough. Let's get things done. Guys, no, I don't do wig installments like the rest of people that do. I mean, they do it so nicely and so quickly. Like, oh, Ashley, I guess I'm a slow learner because I can't. I really cannot. I have to do it my way. No highway involved, please. I have to do it my way. Is this straight? Like, is this? It's not straight. Is it straight now? Yes. Pull it back. Well, I believe we've yak acing at this point. Because what the hell is this? Ugh, Karen Kaibov. Because nah, fam, you. I wanted to play some music, but I'm a one phone girl, so now I can't do that. Woo! Jesus Christ. You're fit. Yeah, that had to happen, right? It had to happen. She's changing, yo. I should be using a mirror. Jesus Christ. I feel like I can do more with a mirror than this, man. I think I can do more with a mirror. This ain't working out for me well. Ugh, this thing smells bad. Like, it really smells bad. Okay. Where's my dryer?
I can't believe I believed everything we had was last. So young and naive of me to think she was from your past. Silly of me to dream of one day having your kiss. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. I can't believe I fell for your schemes. I'm smarter than that. Dumb and naive to believe that with me you're a changed man. Foolish of me to compete when you cheat, we'll lose winning. It took me some time, but now I'm moved on. Because I realize I've got to hate myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Be myself, and that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Controlling
Oh, my rubber is dirty. It's about dirty. D for dirty. Ugh. I don't know how you guys do it, but this thing always gets a way to hurt my ears. Like, maybe I don't know, but it really hurts my ears. And it, like, for now, my ears are very sensitive. Yeah, it's like a sort, but I do it softly, you know. Yes, this thing hurts my ears, Sham. Okay. She's changing your ooh ha. Stop coming into my face. What the hell is wrong with you? One thing I detest more than flies ke menwang. And if you're like menwang, it's here in your feet. Like, what you doing? What you doing here so early in the morning, my guy? Like, you say, o batlang. I hope ke ntse ke bula line e hantle mo. Ke diketsang jwale. Baby,
tell me how this have seen her. It was about 5 minutes ago when I seen a hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before. I say,
like I'm gonna cry. I'm really gonna cry because already it's not doing what I want it to do. At least I see some light.
oh, what about a star? I'm out of time. She's out the door. I gotta go for mine. Got the door, say yeah. Excuse me, miss. Oh, yeah. And I gotta admit that you got my attention. You're making me want to say yeah. I know you're trying to leave. Excuse me, miss. I said I dance with you. How I love you, keep you here with me, you baby. Now so they grab hold of my hand and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Just one, two step, one, two step. Now with the music is moving too fast. Grab my hand a little tighter. Don't be afraid to move a little closer. Girl, there's something about you that makes me wanna say yeah. Excuse me, miss. And I gotta admit that.
It's she say, oh, this thing Can burn you, my dear. This thing can burn you. Ugh. Can we not play that game today, please? I don't like this bump I'm seeing here. I'll try to pull this down. Hey, I think I'm gonna have to change. The weather is standing on business. Ow! My poor ear. I'm telling you guys, the weather is standing on business right now. Either go big or go home, my dear. Go home and eat cakes and drink tea because I ain't going nowhere. Like on a Saturday, nochal. Like why we gotta do that? Why we gotta be those people? Like what we doing? What is this? I need to buy a 30-inch. I'd like to buy a 30-inch actually. Yo, I saw a nice curling rod. I think it's 150. I want to go buy it. Go Chinatown. I want to go buy it. Damn. If God could just grant me the money I need, man. Yeah, I think it's 150. If not 170. I always look at like a lot of things when I'm there. Like when I'm just checking things out there. So, Mabani, I saw the thing. What's this? The curling rod. Yeah, 150. It's nice. I'm gonna buy it. God grant me some money, man. Or at least grant me a job so that I can get money. Because these other ways, man, they're so difficult. They're super difficult for me. I can't make them happen. Like, guys. I want to get money, but yes, see. Things people go through just for that money, man. I'm not willing. I'm seriously not willing. Ew. How would I hit myself with this? It's a bit dark in here. Does that make things better? Yeah, I believe so. Oh, we're done with this. Then I go and spoil it all by saying something stupid like, guys, I once bought this, ne? It's written lip gloss. Dun. Lip gloss what? Lasting impression. I once bought this. Kinana ke lip gloss. I once bought this kinana hore kublele. It's a lipstick. I think when I was in grade 12. I bought it for me and my little sister. Hey, kanti. What's about kanti? We could feel it on the lips, so this is not meant for the lips, especially this brush. This thing hurts on the lips. Koblel. So then we threw them away. Now, years later, I go to a shop looking for, things to buy for my face. I go to a shop. I ask what it is. This lady tells me. I can take a told her my story. Yeah, lipstick years back. Kanti. No, my dear. Treasure.
I be waiting on you some long yeah, low like bombs, boom. Nothing but a roll in your house. I wanna put these pretty pink toes in your mouth. Send news to your phone while you working. Boy, you gotta see the person leading. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too talking about it. We can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, boy. Show me what's outside, boy.
I'm using this for my face, by the way. LA Lab Full Cover Foundation, Caramel Glaze. Yeah, I think that's the information I need. Not too much. I just put that much on my hand. And then I just take it. Okay, guys, so this is how I look. Let's remove this. Let's see what's going on under here. Oh, my ear. Oh. Okay, not too shabby. This I just hide in here because I don't like it when it holds my whole flipping head. Okay, so I just can't. Sorry, that's not for me. Because it gives me a different shape, and then my sister tells me, "Hore, hey, when I keep pulling my face like that, ke tlo tsofa like a speed mon." And then one thing I don't want to go tsofa like a speed ka mahlong. I want to look like a baby until when? Until I meet my grandchildren, type of, They give it a very cute grandma. Very cute mom, very cute grandma. That's what I'm looking for. That's the look I'm going for. Look at me, here, sweetie. Like, look at me, Can also Kaputa. My sister's gonna go crazy if she sees this. Like if she sees that I'm not done. So Kaputa Puta. I don't wanna wear earrings today. I think I look good, but get a bacha. The weather outside. Yeah. Okay, I look good. This is from Avon.
Like he was doing it for eons. Okay, guys, I'll see you soon. I laughed to myself when I changed the score. You said my sex was a lot, but my brain gave you more. Something about how your ex was a toy. I guess
The Driving Chronicles. So, yeah, like I've been saying, guys, I want to be a passenger princess now. Like, I think I'm done driving. Like, I've driven enough. Hashana, I've driven enough. I want to be a passenger princess, you know. I want to get me a man so that I can be a passenger princess. Understand? But it would be nice to actually see someone now. I think it's time. Right? I don't want to rush things, you understand? So yeah. Doing my auntie duties. The boy is buying sports attire for school. Auntie is within the mix. Okay? Auntie is within the mix, ne? Yes. Let's finish up, baby. Let's go.
Crazy, I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. In my heart, my mind, and my body.
D. Right. Okay. Kenapa aku tambah jadi? Ini ano sih? Order lagi, amat hafid mo. King Bazwa. And the land is dark. Okay, so we're done in the mall, and right now we're headed back at home. My phone is very flat. I really just hope it will take me home and wherever else I need to be.
I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, be a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friend zone. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. PG, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon down on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swear they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locked in. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet in the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. So cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her friends know. In the building, I move like a dime. Eating fettuccine at Vincenzo's.